started really soft in my head. I kind of just felt like I had a small headache. And I could take like ibuprofen or some type of medication, it would kind of go away. The next morning I'd wake up and it'd be right back. And I played sports in high school. I played hockey and football, and I got concussions, multiple concussions in both sports. And then I was in a real bad accident probably about 10 years ago, something like that. And after that, it started getting really bad. And it was to the point where it was like hindering my thoughts. It almost felt like my brain wouldn't fit inside of my head. Like it was swelling up so much that it just didn't feel right. And then I went to the doctor and they didn't do anything for me. I've been to the chiropractor. That didn't help. As soon as I'd wake up in the morning, instantly I had a headache across my whole head. It felt like my whole head was just being like pulled, or I don't know how to explain it any other than that. But like I said, it almost would stop me from working, and it just felt like I couldn't do anything about it, and I just kept working through it, but it really bothered me the whole time. I was so frustrated, and it just triggered me to the smallest little thing would make me upset over something that I would never normally get upset at, and that's what kind of ate at me too emotionally. You try to explain it to somebody what it felt like, and nobody would get what you're saying, and nobody really knew what you're talking about, and and then you would be crabby towards somebody, or be upset with them, and you didn't really mean to be, but it affected you emotionally so much because just had that pain on your head the whole time. It was so stressful, and I don't know, I couldn't do anything about it, and like I said, you just had to live with it, and that's the way it was going to be until I tried this procedure. After finding out that this treatment was available, I came in here and he figured that I could only look one way so far. All my muscles were very tense in the back of my head and in my jaw. And then we started my treatment, and after the first one, it helped tremendously. The range of motion was there, the feeling went away, and it was such a feeling of relief, and I felt good and happy. After the first treatment, it was absolutely amazing. It really was. I never thought that it could do that fast. And after the first treatment, I felt great, and the more I went on, the better it progressed. There's no headache there. I feel clear, like I have a clear mind. Before, it felt so hindered, and my thought process just wouldn't click together, and now it just feels open and happy. I don't know any better way to explain it than that. I'm in a lot better mood. Everything just seems to come to me easier. I don't have to struggle at stuff so hard to try get through an easy process, and it just feels really good. I'm more energetic at work, I'm happier, and I just want to go out there and actually enjoy all that stuff. My job is something that I love to do, and when it hindered me, it really bothered me. And now I feel great, and I think everybody kind of notices it.